What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, as you can read the title, Below My Head, pause. I will be installing, well, me and Randy will be installing my SKUNK2 Megapower RR Exhausr along with my SKUNK2 Alpha Series header on Akira, the first episode of the Grid Life Club TR build of my time attack car. So I hope you guys are interested and involved and want to see what we got cooking up today. We're also going to be going over Randy's RSX, trying to get the tune situated with Javi and things of that nature. So stay tuned, roll that intro, pimp. I'm gonna keep my foggy lens up, but got everything loaded up. SKUNK2 header, SKUNK2 exhaust. Let me clean y'all up. Woo, it's hot. But now we're on our way to Randy's house. Look at that skin. Look at that skin. Oh, Lord, you just love to see it. You love to see it. You love to see it, man. That rose hip seed oil with that Mad Hippie vitamin C serum. What? With that CeraVe facial cleanser. All I need is a toner. I'm good, playboy. But yeah, I'm on my way to Randy's house. Get this exhaust installed and all that fugaziness here. One thing I have to really fix on this 8th gen is the AC. I might buy like a refrigerant thing today and see if me and Randy can maybe if I could just recharge the AC system, add some Freon. My AC will blow cold. Like it only blows cold like when the sun is going down and like it's nighttime. That's when it blows cold, but it can blow way colder. So, yep. Damn, I look good for real, man. Damn.
Fight.
Alright, so we're at Randy's now, getting the car all squared away, raised up, jack stands, and then go from there. That boy Randy don't waste no time, bitch. Rain, see the snow, ran low on the go, you heard me? So now he's removing the exhaust. It's not that bad on it, it's pretty clean.
Oh fuck, we don't have, oh yeah, I do have a tool.
I got the tool too.
What tool?
The O2 sensor tool.
This long kind of lot.
It's at the crib though.
Yeah, well, my dad left his on. He said you don't need it. So let's see what it is.
Drop the exhaust from the header, it's 2 12 mil. This is not gonna be a how-to install video. It's just more of like some cool cinematics and that's it.
That's all your videos anyways. Bitch is trash.
You see what I'm saying? Yeah, so yeah, my God pissing on your bitch ass. You see what happens when you talk shit, everybody? You see what happened? That bitch Randy got pissed on my car on Kelly, bitch. Alright, so went ahead and dropped the almost what I wouldn't say the axle back, but the mid pipe is still on. That's off. Header's ready to come off. This is ready to come off with 2 top bolts up there that hangs the hanger, not bolts but like anchors. And that's a small ass exhaust. Moving right along. Header is out, kind of. You see Randy messing with it right now. Boy Randy a beast. Because damn, that header's small as hell. Yeah, I think I know what you gotta do. You gotta rotate the hell out of it. You gotta angle one side and bring it down. Maybe like that. Man, that shit burning the shit out of me. And then that should pop down. Come on. All right, let me film this because this is a pain. So for the stock header, it ain't like the RSX for damn sure. You have to remove the subframe. We'll lower it a little bit. We lowered it, but it's something holding it up. And Randy figuring out it is.
Is it brand new?
Yeah, brand new.
Damn, nigga.
$800 for the header and exhaust.
You rich.
Got the SKUNK2 Megapower RR right there. Ooh, yes sir. Randy's right now on an install.
We don't need that, Joe.
Alright. So what we need, what gasket you need? Huh?
The donor gasket.
Exhaust is finally done, bruh. Woo! I don't like that right there. That's what I don't like. But it is done. SKUNK2 Megapower RR Exhausr with SKUNK2 Alpha Series header. Done. Start up.
Take 2.
All right, cold start. Let's get it. I love this car. All right, so we back at Randy's house, working on the RSX. Before I get some more sound clips, we gotta fix his exhaust leak that he's having on his Poom Poom Club exhaust. Randy's a beast, bruh. My cinematic came out fresh. You saw that shit?
I saw the piece of it.
That shit gangsta-licious, you heard? And it's the same video that y'all watching right now. I edited it last night. Today's a new day. Today's the day you're actually watching it if you part of the notification squad. I probably upload around like 6
Wait, you gonna put that video? You gonna put this piece in there?
Well, just like carry on to the rest of the vlog. Cause I still gotta do flybys with my car, revs, and that's pretty much just so I can close out this video.
We can go by the scoop. Oh no, the scoop, bro.
I hit, I do a pull down Mariposa bit and call it a day.
That's about it, yeah.
Bitch.
Never fall behind the
leak? Wow. That boy a beast. Dude, that shit sounds good. That sounds really good. I like that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you have concluded another Zosh video presentation. I hope you guys enjoyed your welcome. I hope you guys enjoyed your stay. If you did enjoy your stay, leave a like on the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Please, I'm trying to be cool like the famous rich YouTubers. Allow me to have that type of lifestyle so I can provide for like my nieces and nephews and me, my mita and all, you know what I mean? Just like things of that nature, you hear me? But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's SKUNK2. Alpha header paired with that Megapower RR Exhausr, bro. It's hand, dude. Bro. If only they would sponsor me. And exhaust systems, you can never, ever go wrong with a SKUNK2. And they're not paying me to say this. You know what I mean? It's just I really believe in their exhaust systems, dog. You hear how amazing that sounds. It's beautiful. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did. Let me know if you guys would like a POV video of the FA5 and me driving it and my thoughts and opinions on it. Just let me know what y'all want to see from your Benoy. I'm trying to pump out as much content, quality content as possible. So just let me know what you want to see. I'll make it happen. You know the vibes. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy this video, leave a dislike on the video. All in all, bro, I love you, but honestly, I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of y'all. Thank you for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Hey.